Welcome, watch the video of use and efficacy of K11. Take out the cleansing foam and open it. It can be used after installing it. Take away the plastic cover. The brush is soft and comfortable, not harmful to your skin. The bottom is very solid, very convenient to take and put. There are 4 gears for adjusting the rotating part. Press the button to adjust rotating part. In order to observe the effect more conveniently, we are now testing it on hand. Bubble in 1 second, rotate and foam is even, 1 st gear rotation effect. 2 st gear rotation effect. 3 st gear rotation effect. 4 st gear rotation effect. Press again to shut down. Replace the head. The massage cleaning brush head is comfortable and soft, made by silicone. It has some massage beads, which can clean and massage the face at the same time. In order to observe the effect more conveniently, we are now testing it on hand. Uniform rotation rich foam. The machine body is IPX7 waterproof, the quality is at high level. Thanks for watching. For more details, please visit our homepage www.newdermobeauty.com.